Welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series about the models that I was able to get at bargain prices. Today's first model is one of them. For under $60 I was able to get a real rarity. I'll tell you this much, it's blue. It's a true legend whose fame began on the rally stages. A real masterpiece from a Japanese manufacturer. Are you any closer to a solution? But let's see what I bought for that price. I guess you already know, but I'll tell you, today's model is the GC8 Impreza WRX STI. The first striking thing is that unfortunately the model doesn't have the rear view mirrors. I've already spoken to a friend who does 3D printing to get this made, so it's in the works. The other thing is that the model has many years of dust and dirt on it, which I will try to fix with a thorough cleaning, and I think this will help the overall appearance. Fortunately, there are no other missing parts that cannot be replaced. The paintwork on the model is not the best either. I have seen parts of it where it is quite ugly, but I will try to make the most of it. The windows could do with a serious cleaning too. I hope it's just the years of dirt that have made them so grim, but we'll only really see when I start cleaning them. In fact, the situation is no better indoors, as there are no windows on the front doors. Dust has also got into the passenger compartment. One little thing that is missing is the odometer. The sticker has come loose and fallen off over the years. This will also need to be replaced. The passenger compartment in the back is a bit cleaner, which is why I like the fully enclosed models. Unfortunately, the paint on the rear bumper is very bad. There are small spots like this everywhere. What I am happy about is that the brake light on the rear spoiler is there. It would be a difficult part to replace. Actually, there are small problems all over the model, but at such a low price, it was expected that it would not be flawless. For this price, I think I got a very good restoration base, and I am happy to have such a rare model in my collection. It has its challenges, but it is not an impossible mission to make something beautiful out of it. But I wouldn't really want to multiply the words, let the model speak for herself. A small detail, but I'm very happy to have the front wipers. The engine compartment is also completely intact. And what's missing on many used Japanese models is the rear wiper. Luckily we have it. The rear spoiler is worn out. I hope it's just the dust. I don't want to polish this model for now, but it looks like I'll have to do it later for a perfect result. Overall, even in this condition, I am very happy with this model as it has become a rarity. There are very few new obtainable models at this price nowadays. In fact, even fully closed or resin models are hard to find. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at this beauty and see what you can get out of it for very little money. If you have found a model that is defective or incomplete and is now rare, I advise you not to be afraid to start a project. If you can get your hands on one of these rarities cheaply, I think it's worth investing a little time. Honestly, I couldn't wait, so I ordered 2 Sunstar GC8 front doors and a pair that came with mirrors, so I got the model out and thought I'd clean it up a bit and put it on. You can look through this now and see what the end result looks like. I'm confident it will be much better than the original base. I've recorded the whole process a bit faster, but I'll show you how I took it apart and you'll see the end result. I think it will be worth watching. Here's the result. I think it's a fantastic view of the starting base. Luckily, the Sunstar mirrors fit the model perfectly. I actually like the end result, but I want to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments if you want to keep this rally mirror or if you want to add the factory version later. Overall, I really enjoyed this little upgrade and I really like the end result. I would like to polish the model later, and unfortunately I need to replace the seat belts and find an option for the odometer. I plan to do a second part later. Until then, let's check out what eBay currently has to offer. One is like the one I bought. One side is missing a mirror. It has a box which unfortunately mine doesn't have, but it's still 4 times more expensive. The other is a flawless piece and white, which I think is rarer than the blue. That's all I could fit in this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I can find more similar models that deserve a second chance and produce more content like this for you. Remember, I'll be back with new content next week. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you very much for your kind attention. If you like, please write down in the comments section what your best buy has been so far and what model it was. If you like my video, please like it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on similar content, please hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.